How to sign in to Taskade. Hello everyone, welcome back to the video. Today, I'm gonna guide you on how you can sign in to your Taskade. Let's get started. First of all, open your Taskade application on your mobile device. Now, click on login icon. Over here, you will be directed to taskade.com/login. From here, you can log in via Google, Apple ID, or single sign-on button. For now, I'm gonna go with my username or email. Type in your username or email. Now, type in your password you have saved. Now tap in login icon. Over here, you can continue with your mobile app. Now click on continue with your mobile app. After you have continued with your mobile app, you are now good to go. This is how you can sign in to Taskade. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.